Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Well, my husband was able to get this repaired. Right? So now it's time to move all of that back over to here. All right. Still storm cleanup. All right, let's get this done. Pollinators doing what they do best. This is why we bring these plants into our homestead. It's a lovely sight. Wildlife's getting back to normal. Well, here we go. Got it put back somewhat in order. I think I'm going to leave the big one down there. These are a little bit more sturdy to fight the sun. I may even move those down there and just put other things up there. But a little banged up, a little bruised, but that's what we have. Still haven't done anything with this. Kind of bothers me to walk out here and see it look like this, but here we are. At least we have a place to start. Frame stood. Well, we put this cover, it's a tarp, used it for parties mainly, or covering these front bins. We put it across the top. Can't really order what we had before, so this is a stopgap measure, but we'll be able to start planting in the greenhouse again. Had to keep taking the Thanksgiving decorations in and putting them back up, and took them back down, and here's our third try. We might actually make it without another storm. Interfering with all this anyways. Shoo! Alright, I got the okras replanted. This one was doing good, but it was stripped, so probably won't make it. But we have some others coming up, and we've got some new seed in the ground. So this bed got some zinnia seeds as well as some Shasta daisy seeds. These will be pretty when they come up, and yes, in our area they'll come up and they'll last a good long time. All right, we've been out here planting, redoing our greenhouse, so lots of things that will work in our zone for the fall. So lots of lettuce over here, which will be really nice. Whole bed full of lettuce, a little bit of romaine in there. So how about that? And then here on the very end, we lost most of our thyme, so we replanted, just going with seeds this time. Whew, all right, we're getting it back together. All right, it's time to clean these up and get them dressed up for a Christmas party. Alright, got lots to do. One bed down, one to go today. A little bit of wood to do over there, but we've got it winterized. Alright. Phew, it's been a long old day, but we got a lot accomplished. Got these beds dressed as well as the 2 jasmine boxes up there. My husband got the wood cut. Nice little curve we got going there. Ooh, I asked him, it looks so good, I want to do it over here too. Used up 1 bag of our pine needles. Really like the way they dress up the beds. They should add nutrients as well as temperature control and moisture control. So we did everything in here, including the bins down here. Alright, I've been working on mulch all morning. Enjoying these cool mornings. So the greenhouse is dressed, beds and floor. And then I started on this large area. Have not got the pine needles in the bins yet, but trying to save this avocado. Got hit pretty hard with the 2 storms. I cut it back to where I think it's viable. Just might come back. I'm not quite ready to give up on it yet. Lost most of the poinsettias in the storms. I'll work on this next time. That's our ginger shampoo. Just need to deadhead it a little bit. It's really actually could have been a whole lot worse. And this is as far as we got. So these are the beneficiaries of weed pulling. And just like magic, they turn it into eggs. Annie Penny is the talker. Look at those baby chicks growing up. That's lavender right there, the light one. Bluey back there. Loving the little bead thing I made for them. Have one molting, that's Gert. Oh, there's another one starting to molt. Yep, it's that time of year. Just baby them through it. Well, here we are. The room is getting set up for the party this weekend. How about that? Even David has a Santa hat. Here is a dawn view of the greenhouse. Don't usually get to see it this early in the morning on a work day. But here we are. We've got the beds that are all dressed out, ready for our little bit of coolness that we have. You can see the sweet potatoes are starting to feel it. We have a this bed is planted also, but it is holding the poinsettias until the Christmas party. How about that? I like to share those with family and friends. So this area took a beating this last summer, but it is starting to come back. That's the mint there and there. The plants were blown out of the pots during that last hurricane. So those are new plants, but that's okay. We'll start again. All right, let's go see. Oh, Lavender is up. You hear my voice. Of all the chickens, she runs up to me now. And that's the one that was a little tiny baby just a short time ago. And that's Bluey right there beside her. And there's Henny Penny. The last of the pumpkins are out. Hey, Lavender. Oh, so these are the early birds, literally. The other ones are still in bed, it looks like. All right. Got some rain coming in tomorrow, and after that, we'll be dressing up these runs and the coop for the chickens for the party. And just sort of to help them to get through. How about that? Good morning, Henny Penny. And Bluey. And then there's Lavender. Lavender. Yes, that's your name. Good morning. Well, there we go. A whole bunch of chicken butts facing us. All to bed. Big Red. Little Big Red. Henny Penny up there just a squawking. Lavender on the end there. There's Bluey. Alright. Uh-oh. Lost her balance. Alright, we hope you've enjoyed this update on the homestead. If you have, like it. Share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, all of us chicks say, oh, Happy New Year. Yeah, New Year's coming. All right, until next time, y'all.